Guys, I bought some albums. This is the 10-second mini album. Stunner. Let's go. Oh no. Okay. So there's little stickers. Oh. Oh my god, this one is so cool. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. That's lit. So cute. Very pretty. Oh! It's a skin! No. That is adorable. The next album I want to unbox is this one. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. The ingredients is like the set list. Wow, that's so cute. I got Jamin poster, and he's also the person on the cover. Oh my god, this design is so cool. Everyone's photo is in here. I love it. The next one, NCT 127, the 4th album repackage. So excited for this. You open it up, there's a bunch of pink stuff. I love it already. This is the CD. Look how cool. NCT sticker. Oh, cute. Please. Marky! And I got Mark's poster. Thank you. Mark. Stop it. Stop it right now. Look how cute. So beautiful. This is so pretty and it's making me so sad. I was gonna go to LA next month. Lifelong dream. But I'm not going anymore. Very gorgeous. So cute. On to the next. Let's do this one. It's a little box. We open it up. Instantly we see HM. These are the ones I get at the movies. It has a certain name. But anyway, very cute, very cute. Oh, it's a kit album. Okay, then I think there's one photo card. Oh my god, it's Johnny! Love it, love it, love it, love it. Period. Moving on to this one, I'm very excited. Look guys, it's a vending machine. This goes so hard. There go the drinks. I should have opened it the other way so the drinks were falling down. But look how cute, it's a vending machine. So we got, I think, a photo book. This is where the CD is. This is an NCT Dream album, by the way. Then we got a poster, photos. Very cute. Group poster. Then these are all photos. Hello. Oh my god. And the back is like this. I love that. I do this all the time when I design stuff. I'm obsessed. Oh my god. I love the color pink. These are amazing. Okay, period. Then there's some really cool stickers. The back is so cute as well. And then this is just a whole slay photo book. I feel like I didn't even show you properly. And then I got this mini album, the S Mini. It's the Taeyong Shalala one. And there's like a photo card in the back. Oh, it's not the photo card yet. You can have a look first. Wait, are you seeing it or is it upside down? Stop. Oh my god. Very cute. He looks posh. He looks expensive. Then this is the little album. It comes with this. We open it up. It looks like this. You need to download an app for this, but then you put it on your phone and it shows you the whole track list. Usually it has cool behind the scene photos. The mini photo almost slid out. That's so cute. Bye. My most anticipated album that I wanted to get for so long, and I've bought it as a gift for other people so often, but now it's my turn. I literally just opened it. Can we relax? Oh my god, look how pretty. Oh my god. Anyway, and then this is the album. Hello. Hello. No one told me this. Okay. Oh my god. What do you mean? So cute. That's like a little booklet that the other ones had as well. Sticker. Feels like a sticker. Another sticker. Shalala. Cash it out. Camera flashing. Beat my tweed jacket. It's my fashion. Photo card time. Oh, obsessed. I also forgot to show you this album. You can open it up at the bottom, and then there's literally a bottle opener in here. This was my pull. I absolutely love this album, by the way. Hope it helps you and your day. Then it had this little photo booklet with these stickers. I already posted an unboxing about this on TikTok, but these are the two Mark albums I got. It's so beautiful. Like, this is all textured kind of, and the inside is like a fruit, and the seeds are an M. There's a poster in it. The other side is a map. This is the city, guys. This was my pool. Then it comes with stickers, umbrella shop. Then there's some photos, like prints. And the design in this is so insane. Did you guys see the photo of Mark, like where the little lamb is like running to the camera? Like, hello, who designed all this? The other version is kind of similar. Poster, map, and I think this is all just completely the same. A sticker pack. This was my pool. Then this is my favorite inclusion. It's Mark maple syrup. It's one of those things that you can pop out. I also saved the packaging of my donut from when we saw Mark. I thought it would be cute for my photo book. I'm loving all of this. Thanks for watching that big unboxing. Have a good day.